Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create folders and subfolders in Canva. This is a great way to keep your designs organized and your workspace easy to manage. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, to create a folder and a subfolder, all we need to do is click on Projects. Once all projects appear, we can see the folder section right here. To create a new folder, we just click the Add New button on the right side, the one with the plus icon. From here, we can see the New Folder option appear. We type in the name of the folder and confirm it. Inside the folder, we can add people and set their access permissions. This makes it easy to set up folders and subfolders to sort our Canva projects. It keeps everything organized, makes designs easier to find, and helps us manage multiple projects at once. When we're ready, we just click the Create Folder button, and there's our folder. We can open the folder, and inside we can create a subfolder by clicking Add New and selecting Folder again. For example, we could have a work folder or a project folder. We can create as many subfolders as we need right inside other folders. And that's how we create folders and subfolders in Canva. With this setup, we can stay organized and work more efficiently.